There are four friends. One person is Raju, another person is Ravi, other person is Shushant, and the fourth and the last one is Vishal. These four members are friends from their childhood. One day they all gathered, their four members were gathered at a certain place. They are recalling all their activities from the past, what they did. So whatever the laughable things what they did during their childhood memories, whatever the past thing they did, so everything they are recalling, and they started laughing and sharing all their family situations and talking. After the certain time, after the certain time, among the four members, one member, and his name is Raju said that, okay, we have spent a beautiful evening, so now I want to leave. Now I am leaving because the next day I need to go to business. I am going to another village because for the business purpose. So I don't have any single rupee of money in my pocket. So I need to go to the bank. I have to get some money. So my money is in the bank. I have saved my money in the bank. So I need to go to the bank. I have to bring my money back. So Raju said like that. So after Raju said like that, they were departed from there. They were departed and they went to their homes. The next day, what happened is, last night in Raju's house, who said that he is going for the business to the another village. Last night in his home, robbery was happened. So due to this reason, due to the robbery in Raju's house, he was not able to go to the business. Then again four members were gathered the next day. So Ravi said, okay Raju, don't worry. These four members gathered, and the four members went near to the police station, and they have given a complaint to the police station. So after a few weeks, one day Ravi came and he gave some amount of money. This is not the first time that Ravi gave some amount of money to Raju. Until the robbery happened, he also gave money to Raju, and even after the robbery, every day he came to Raju's house and he gave some money. So he keep on giving money to Raju. But another two friends, after the robbery happened in his home, in his Raju's house, Sushant and Vishal didn't even came at least one time to see Raju or to ask how Raju's situation is. When you understand this one, so these two people were gathered. These two people again, they went for a business. Raju and Ravi went for business. They started a huge amount of company and got a huge amount of profit. They came to their home. They came to their village. They started a small company in their company. So when they are invited, they are hiring the people. In that hiring, these two people also came. Who? Sushant and Vishal also came. Even though they didn't help him for anything, but these two people just apologized, that forgive those two people and recruited those in their companies. Now both are very happy. When you observe small amount of thing in this story, they are true friends. He find his true friend during his hardest situation. So one thing I want to say is that we should not leave. That's when quotation says that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So when a friend is in need is a friend indeed, we have to prove that one. So he proved that one. Just you and me, we have a friends, we need to be a person like that person. So this is the motivation thing I want to give to everyone. Thank you very much for watching this beautiful video.